In this video, I'll show you how to add individual products to opportunities and quotes in Salesforce using the GSP Product Manager. Here's an opportunity, and at the top of the page, you can see the Product Manager button. Let's click on that button to open the product selection page. We can find products using the Smart Search feature, or we can open these different sections to view the individual products in each category. Incidentally, in this example, the products are grouped by the standard product family field, but you can group by custom fields if you prefer, or even use a nested tree structure. Let's now go ahead and add some products to the opportunity. We'll have a generator, one or two modules, and some training. If you change your mind and want to remove any of these products from your selection, just click here. Now let's click Next. We can update the quantity and the sales price of each item if we need to. And by the way, you can also easily add other fields to this display if needed. Then just hit Save and Finish. And just like that, our products are added to the opportunity. The Product Manager works in exactly the same way if you're adding products to quotes. Next up, how to add product groups and product bundles to opportunities and quotes in Salesforce using the GSP Product Manager. If you want more advice and tips on getting Salesforce to do what you want, then hit subscribe or leave a comment and I'll reply personally. See you on the next video.